Plank and push-ups for a powerful you. Want a simple way to transform your body? Look no further than the plank and push-up combo. These two exercises, when combined, create a powerful workout that targets multiple muscle groups. Get ready to feel stronger, more toned and energized. Let's dive in and discover how this dynamic duo can help you achieve your fitness goals. This combo is your secret weapon to unlocking a stronger, healthier you. It's time to unleash your inner strength and embrace the transformative power of the plank and push-up combo. The plank is an amazing exercise. It looks simple, but it works wonders for your core. To do a plank, start by lying on your stomach. Then lift your body up, supporting your weight on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as you can, engaging your core muscles. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise. Aim for 30 seconds to start and gradually increase your hold time. Building upper body strength. Push-ups are a classic exercise for a reason. They work your chest, shoulders and triceps, building upper body strength and definition. To do a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body down towards the floor, bending your elbows until your chest grazes the ground. Then push yourself back up to the starting position. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. If you're new to push-ups, start with modified versions on your knees and gradually progress to full push-ups. Now let's combine these two powerhouse exercises into a dynamic workout. Start with a plank, holding it for 30 seconds to a minute. Then immediately transition into a set of push-ups. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. Rest for a minute, then repeat the plank and push-up sequence for a total of 3 to 4 rounds. This combination will challenge your muscles, elevate your heart rate, and leave you feeling strong and invigorated. Unleashing your inner superhero. One of the key benefits of the plank and push-up combo is its ability to strengthen your core muscles. Your core is like your body's powerhouse, providing stability, balance, and power for everyday movements. By engaging your core during planks and push-ups, you're strengthening these essential muscles, improving your posture, and reducing your risk of back pain. A strong core is the foundation for a healthy and active life. Section 6. Sculpting your upper body from chest to triceps. Want a more defined chest, sculpted shoulders and toned triceps? The plank and push-up combo is your answer. Planks engage your chest muscles isometrically, while push-ups target them dynamically. This combination helps to build muscle and create a more toned appearance in your upper body. Get ready to feel confident and strong in your own skin, igniting your metabolism, burning calories and boosting energy. Looking to boost your metabolism and torch calories, planks and push-ups are here to help. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, elevating your heart rate and increasing your calorie burn. By incorporating this combo into your fitness routine, you'll fire up your metabolism, burn more calories throughout the day, and feel more energized. It's time to say goodbye to sluggishness and hello to a more vibrant you. Enhancing posture and balance. Stand tall and confident. Good posture and balance are crucial for overall health and well-being. The plank and push-up combo strengthens your core, back and shoulder muscles, which play a vital role in maintaining proper posture. By improving your posture, you'll reduce strain on your spine, alleviate back pain, and project an image of confidence. Stand tall and embrace the world with poise, adapting to your fitness level. The beauty of the plank and push-up combo is that it can be adapted to any fitness level. If you're just starting out, modify the exercises by doing planks on your knees and push-ups against a wall. As you get stronger, gradually progress to full planks and push-ups. You can also adjust the number of repetitions and sets to match your fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key. Embrace the challenge. Transform your body and mind. The plank and push-up combo is more than just a workout. It's a journey of self-improvement. It's about challenging yourself, pushing your limits, and discovering your inner strength. Embrace the challenge. Stay consistent and watch as your body and mind transform. You've got this. Now go out there and unleash your full potential.